Jordan Foshi. I'm a dedicated Westlaw trainer here at Thomson Reuters. And today I'm going to show you a new tool that we've made available on all of our newer Westlaw contracts. It's called Profiler, and what it actually does for you is it gives you detailed profile information on different attorneys and judges. So there's a couple different ways you can access the content. I'll show you the first way if you want to go directly through a case. I'm just going to run a search here, pull up some cases, and I'll show you how it works from there. We'll just go ahead and find a good case to take a look at here. So let's just jump into to this case here. So this is going to work for basically judge involved in a case and also any attorney involved in a case. You'll see when they're listed up here in the synopsis background here, their names will be hyperlinked. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to jump into this 8th Circuit judge here, Judge Colleton. I'm just going to click on his name. What me to first is just some general profile information for that judge. You'll see the same thing for attorneys. Usually judges' biographies are going to be a little bit more detailed, give you some background education information there. But what's more interesting, what you can access is this litigation history report. This is what is really neat about this profiler tool. What it actually does is it's going to give you a chart. It's going to give you a breakdown of all of the cases that judge has been involved in, all the decisions from that judge. So here we've got a breakdown of Judge Colleton's opinions by year, and then also by case type. Got client, individuals involved, breakdown by law firm or attorneys as well. So all of these are searchable. You can come here if we wanted to see all of Judge Colleton's, let's say 2016 decisions on employment or labor issues. We could click this link here and we'll get a listing of all of those cases. So then what you could do is if you're going up before the judge, you could take a look at all of those cases dealing with that similar issue that you're dealing with, see how he's decided on those cases in the past. Or you see, it's an issue that he might not have too much personal experience in. You can kind of use that information to your advantage as well. So this is really kind of giving you a leg up in litigation. It's letting you see that information for the judge, information that your opponent might not know. But here you can go into all of those cases really easily, very quick to pull these reports and see all of that information for a particular judge. Another way that you can find this information, rather than going to a case that someone's been involved with, is if you're on the home page here, if you click directories link and just click on attorneys and judges here, then you can start entering information for that judge. So if we wanted to, let's look for some attorneys in Kings County, New York. We could just run that search, and let's say we wanted to see a list of labor law attorneys in Kings County. We had additional search terms. We could punch in a person's name, additional information we wanted to search by, but I'm just going to do a general search here so we can get a list of results. In the search, we'll see we've got a list of firms, attorneys that deal with labor law. So let's say we wanted to see this attorney here, Susan Matula, Brooklyn. Again, we've got some quick information on that person. She might not be a litigator, so we're not seeing any reports here. If the person does do litigation work, though, then you'll see that same litigation report that we saw, that litigation history report here. It looks like it is working for this person here. But then we've got, again, same information. Anything that's gone to trial will show up here. Again, you get a breakdown of clients, case types. All of that information will just be pulled in right here. So obviously, if it's a fairly prodigious litigator you're looking for here, that's going to pull a lot more information than someone who isn't involved in quite as much litigation. But that really is kind of a great benefit of Westlaw, is giving you this profiler information, letting you see that quick, easy breakdown of that attorney's information, of that judge's information. We organize everything right here for you, really making it as simple as possible.